welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda's Life. I'm your girl Amanda, coming to you straight out of Montego Bay, Jamaica. All right, so it's just been funny. Anyways, I want to share with you today 5 ways to make money online, right? But before we get into that, I want to say a big thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. And please continue to subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment, right? And if you're new here though, welcome. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you stay with me throughout the videos to hear, the 5 ways to make money online. You don't want to miss this. You don't want to. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So, five, not 10, 5 ways to make money online. So the first one is being a freelancer. So basically, what a freelancer is a person who is self-employed and does not work for any particular person or company for a long period of time, right? So they're like an independent contractor. So company I see that one company I see that is working with freelancers a lot is Fiverr. So if you can do graphic designing, proofreading, blog writing, then you can go on Fiverr, sign up for free, right? And you can be doing work for people all over the world, getting paid, getting cha-ching, right? So and it takes no experience, little or no experience to do jobs on Fiverr, okay? And or as a freelancer, you don't have to work with Fiverr. You can just have a subcontractual agreement with professionals who want these things to be done, right? And voila, money. Yeah, so the second way to make money online is to start an online business, whether it be a business on Instagram, a business on Facebook, it doesn't matter, okay? So start that online business. People are at home more than ever, right? So people are at home now more than ever, and they're on their phones. Some people got time on their hands right now, so they don't have time, or because of quarantine and the pandemic, they want to be staying at home, so they don't want to be going to their physical store like they used to. So having an online business, providing a service or a product that people need, they will be shopping online with you, from you. Okay, so start that online business, offer a product that people not a lot of people are doing it online, and it's needed. So think about it and just start that online store, right? um okay, so most people are buying online right now, I'm telling you. Personally, I have an online store, and yes, if people see something that they want online, because they're on their phone anyways, if they see something that they want, they're gonna get it. And worldwide shipping is available. Island-wide shipping is available. So there's no excuse to not start that business. Once you have some capital, I mean, you can get it on. You can get it on going, right? Some people do drop shipping, where you don't have to have the physical product, but the warehouse, like people order from you and you send that order to the warehouse, and the warehouse just send it straight to the person that made the order. So people are also doing drop shipping, So you can also look into doing that also. All right. Me personally, I have an online store. I don't know if I said that before. Yes. It's Dreamy Flares JA. I'm on Instagram. You can go and check that out. I do handcrafted craft. I do handcrafted jewelry, and with the Christmas season coming up, guys, I mean, you can gift a handcrafted jewelry, whether it be a necklace, a set, or a bracelet or anything like that to your loved one for Christmas. So go check that out, guys. I do ship island wide and I ship to the US. So, and also I will leave my link to my website down below in the description box so you can check that out. Please, guys, go say something to me on Instagram. Say hi. How you doing? Hello. You know, just let me know that you guys are, you're here with me, okay? And also leave a comment in the comment section also telling us other ways of making money online. So we want to put everybody on here, okay? That's what I'm about right now. Everybody wants to be making money at this time, okay? So leave a comment, okay? Tell us any other way that you know how to make money online. The third way how to make money online is being a virtual assistant. Yes, a VA is what they call them, right? So professionals are hiring virtual assistants to do things that they don't have time to do, right? And it's very important to them. So they're hiring VAs to do, sorting out their emails, making appointments, making reservations, and all those stuff. So once you have a reliable internet and a laptop, you're good to go, right? So also I wanna give a shout out to my bestie, Sharice Edie Lester. She owns and operates Keen Organizers and Designs. Yes, you can check her out on Instagram if you need a reliable virtual assistance. You can definitely check her out if you want to organize your way to success. Definitely check her out. Okay, so she's on Instagram. I'll leave that link below, or you can see it somewhere up here. All right, so check that out. Check her out, guys. Go over to her Instagram, say hi, say hello, DM her if you need any of her services. And she provides services such as, social media management. Also, she does graphic design. So if you need like a channel art done, or a thumbnail done or anything like that, go check her out, guys. She is great. All right. Yes. So the fourth way that you can make money online is through Forex trading. Definitely. So basically Forex trading is an analysis of, like, currencies. So you will be like trading against different countries, for example, different countries currencies, that is. So for example, like the euro USD. So like the euro dollar will be trading against the US dollar, right? So that is forex trading. So people are making big money trading forex, right? So if you are interested, or if you want to, venture into forex trading, one important thing is that you're going to need to invest a little in yourself. I mean, you just can't get up so and go trade forex. You have to have a little training, right? You're gonna need someone to actually, teach you how to trade on the on forex trading. Okay, so you're gonna need to, I mean, we don't want to be losing any money now. You understand? I mean, probably a little, but not a lot. You understand? Through the training. So to avoid all that mistakes, you're gonna be making, trying to teach yourself how to trade on forex, you are going to need to hire someone, pay them a little money, or some people charge a lot. Pay them a little money, pay them some money to teach you how to trade forex. Okay, so if you decide that this is what you want to be, this is what you want to be doing, and you need someone to train you or teach you how to trade, definitely you can DM me, right, at Dreamy Flares JA on Instagram. You can DM me to I can hook you up and someone who can train you to do that. Okay, so let me know, guys, if you're interested down in the comment section. Let me know. Okay, all right, so that's the fourth way to make money online. Now we're moving on to the fifth way, the number 5 way, the fifth way of making money online. All right, so that will be YouTube. YouTube, guys, YouTube. I mean, yes, it's everybody's doing it. I mean, it's definitely a way of making money online. All you need is a phone, a ring lights, internet, and you're good to go. I mean, it's scary at first to start on YouTube. And I mean, YouTube is like a kind of long haul thing, because you have to get the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000, sorry, watch hours to, get to be qualified to get monetized. I mean, I'm not monetized as yet, but hopefully in the future I can be monetized and be making money. But you can do the same too. You can start now, start now. You understand? So that you can be making some YouTube dollars. Okay? And also, I mean, I'm telling you, it's scary at first. Scary. Because I know my first video I was nervous, but I mean, getting the hang of it, getting used to it. I mean, doing videos, I guess when you do a lot of videos and you get comfortable enough on the camera, I mean, it won't feel, it won't feel as as scary as when you first start. So yes, that's it, guys. That's it. That's it for 5 ways to make money online. Okay, thank you very much for staying with me throughout the video. Thank you very much for watching. And yes, this is your girl Amanda. Please like, share, and comment down below what you comment down below what other jobs that are online that people can do, to make money. Okay, so let us know. And also check out my website at Dreamy check out my website, not at Dreamy Flares. Check out my website. I'll be putting the link down below. You can also check out Dreamy Flares also on Instagram, and also my girl Sharice Edie Lester at Keen Organizers and Design. Check her out. Talk to it. Make me know what I want. If you say hi or something, nothing wrong. Okay, just say hi. We're looking to hear from you guys. Okay, and thank you for joining me again. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay, love you all. Peace out. Mwah.